Mr. Leo, here is the new contract for tomorrow's meeting with Mr. Carter.
You are 20 minutes late, Mia.
I had to fix 4 big mistakes in the document, sir. Carter's team made many errors. If we sign this, we will lose a lot of money.
That is your job. You must check everything.
My job is to plan your meetings. It is not my job to fix your partner's math at midnight. My working hours are finished.
Wait. Do not leave yet.
Is there another problem, sir?
Carter called me 10 minutes ago. He wants to change the rules tomorrow. He wants all the power in this deal.
Then tell him no. You are the boss.
He does not listen to polite words. He only listens to strong people. I want you to talk to him tomorrow.
Me? But I am just an assistant. You said I talk too much.
I need you to be strong tomorrow. Will you do it?
What do I get if I win this deal?
You will get a new job as a manager and more money.
Okay, I will read the paper again. I will be ready for tomorrow.
Let us be quick, Leo. My company takes 60% of the money. Your company takes all the risk. Sign here.
I think my assistant has something to say, Carter.
Your assistant? Are you joking? Young lady, go and get us some coffee.
Mr. Carter, please look at page 4. If we sign this, your company will cheat us. You put a secret rule here.
What? That is a mistake.
It is a very bad mistake. If you want to work with us, we share the money 50-50, and we take 0 risk. Agree now, or we walk away.
Leo, why do you let her talk to me like this?
She is right, Carter. She is not just an assistant. She is my new manager. Sign the paper or leave.
Fine, I will sign it. You two are very difficult.
That was very scary.
You did not look scared. You did a great job, Mia.
I just told him the truth.
You are the only person who tells the truth in this office. Your time as an assistant is over.
So, do I get my own office now, Leo?
Yes, you get a big office. And one more rule.
What rule?
You do not have to eat dinner alone at your desk anymore. I want to take you to dinner tonight. Just the 2 of us.
Is that a company rule?
No. That is a question from me to you.
Okay, but you must pay the bill.
Deal.